My main worry at the moment is just that the platform isn't stable enough for them to create the videos that they need to create.
I think my anticipation was that it was going to be easier.
The real challenge begins now. In episode 1, our creators showed the world that anyone can create a high-quality video. But this time, it's more than just proving the promise, it's about pushing limits.
I've basically been brain dumping every thought I've had on this as much as I can at any chance I get.
Elevating their stories.
What I expect from this platform is to make it easy for me to turn a powerful story.
And discovering how far Wonder can take them.
Not so long time ago, the process of the creation was completely different.
Week 2, pretty stressful time, pretty hectic. So the other rebels, I'm really scared of. I feel like they've got so much talent. So where am I at in the project? I've been creating my own little storyboard. It looks like a complete mess of a draft. But I've been playing around with Wondercraft. I'm actually really familiar with Wondercraft. I've been using it for the past, I don't know, nearly a year now. It's so exciting to see it evolve into what it's becoming and what it's growing into now. And I'm so happy to actually be part of it as well.
All right, so this week we gave access to the Rebels to video. So this is very exciting for us as well, because this is the first time that someone outside the Wondercraft team plays around with video on the platform. What this means is that they have the video editor and they also have all of the AI generative models, and they can start creating a few things.
Initial take is like, it's pretty good. It does auto selection of the best video model to create what you think. That first go is pretty impressive, but there's obviously a bit of an art to sort of tweaking it. There are a few bugs, but they seem to have been fixed pretty quickly.
This tool has got to work some magic of not fiddling around and faffing like AI can be. Yeah, there's a lot of pressure on me now and the tool.
So this week, the Rebels have been our first ever users of Wondercraft Video, which is mad, which is crazy, and so exciting. But I'm not going to pretend that it's been completely plain sailing. Naturally, the product has quite a lot of bugs at the moment. Basically, the Rebels have been in constant communication with the engineering team. My main worry at the moment is just that the platform isn't stable enough for them to create the videos that they need to create. Fingers crossed.
Well, what can I say? The competition is intensifying. I'll focus on the story and I'll focus on using the Wondercraft platform. What I expect from this platform is to make it easy for me to turn a powerful story that I have in mind, a powerful hook, into something that is visually interesting, compelling, and catchy.
So I've been thinking a lot about my idea for my final video and what I want to actually have happen in it. So I'm thinking along the lines of like this beautiful fantasy like walking world, almost like a video game render. And that's my like entire video, and there's beautiful scenes and fantasy elements. So that's where my head is at for my idea right now.
The Rebels' progress so far has been so good. I feel like they've all jumped in head first, and I know a lot of them are spending a lot of time, spending like their whole evenings looking over the platform, learning how to use it, coming up with ideas. A few of them have sent snippets to me of things that they've created on Wondercraft already, little bits of videos and their visions and their ideas for their final video. And they're sick, they're amazing.
I'm working. Still working. And still working.
Not so long time ago, the process of the creation was completely different. Now the game changed definitely and entirely. The process changed with a lot of different AI tools that boost your process of creativity, that boost your imagination itself. You become almost powerful, super powerful, like a super artist, like a Superman, but super artist. And if I ask myself, did I do that? 1 week later, did I do that?
How are we feeling about video and Wonder?
Very good, very good. It'll probably be ready the day we're releasing it.
Nice.
So we're cutting it close, but that's just the kind of the amount of features we're building.
Yeah, for sure.
It's a lot. We're building a lot. That's why, gotta thank the Rebels for being so patient with all their bug reporting, but we're trying to fix things as they come up. And every day making the platform a little better.
Isaac here again. Thought I'd give you a little update on where we're up to in this process. We got to learn more about Wonder and the video generation within that platform, so all super exciting. I've basically been brain dumping every thought I've had on this as much as I can at any chance I get. I'm so interested by what the other rebels are going to make. Like, are they going to go really abstract? Are they going to go really commercial? It's such an interesting thing. But needless to say, I am loving this competition so far, and the closer we get to the final and the more tools we get our hands on, like last night, the better.
So I trialed Wondercraft for the first time, and honestly, like any creative project without AI, it can be really frustrating in the beginning. I think my anticipation was that it was going to be easier. So I'm starting to think about things now that I've experienced Wondercraft or Wonder. Yeah, I'm kind of now leaning on my imagination more. Honestly, I'm thinking of like trialing a black and white entire video. One, because I'm thinking competitively. Like everyone else, I imagine is going to be like really graphic and colorful. Yeah, I think I'm going to just see how that goes this week.
Okay, so we need to run through who we're thinking for the jury for the competition.
What I'm thinking is like this guy that's very big on AI creatives. He creates ads for big companies using like generative AI. And I think he's really good. Like, let's see, maybe it will be a challenge to get him, but I think that's what we should aim for.
How do you feel about the judges we've got for the finale?
I'm fucking hyped. Am I saying fucking?
Yeah, you can say fucking hyped.
I'm fucking hyped. I think we got some crazy names that I, to be honest, don't know how we managed to pull off. I don't know what Demi's holding on against these people, but somehow he got them to agree to do this, which is sick.
Yeah, so in terms of who we wanted as judges, we wanted people that are very familiar with launch videos. So basically people that have experience in tech Twitter and have been seeing all of the launch videos from different companies so that they know what a good launch video looks like. Also, some people that are experienced in AI generated media or AI space generally, some people that are big in the tech space. And that's kind of how we made that collection of the crew.
Donc voilà, pour cette semaine, il y aura quelques générations, je pense. Oh là 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 là. De commencer à monter tout ça. Et là, je pense qu'on va commencer à arriver à quelque chose de vraiment intéressant. Je suis à fond. J'ai envie de gagner. Je veux un nouveau vélo. J'ai cru comprendre que Dimi aimait le vélo aussi. On va faire une course. Non, je blague. En tout cas, ça fait du bien d'être pris au sérieux par rapport à sa création et d'être entouré de bonnes personnes. La team Wonder est excellente. La réactivité est folle. Je n'ai rien à dire. Let's go create.
There's a lot of excitement amongst them. There's just like competition, friendly still. Let's see if this changes. But there's like this competition that has been bubbling up. And it's awesome to see this from everyone, just how committed everyone is to this. It's incredible, right? Like everyone's so pumped about a product that you're releasing as a team and you just love it.
The reality of this is all kicking in now. I've seen the caliber of who I'm up against.
I feel like I'm in a chaotic situation.
When you have a lot of doubts, a lot of ideas, and at the same time you don't know what to create,